Yo, what's going on guys? My name's Eric, also known as Dad Hats, and today we are back at Englishtown. And if you don't know this track, this is A, probably the bumpiest track ever exist, so it's a little bit miserable, and B, it's maybe an hour and a half from Philadelphia and New York City, but it's actually very cheap, and it's where I got my start back in 2021, I believe I started doing track days here. But yeah, this place is great for beginners and maybe up to intermediates. I think once you get through the school, I think track days here are like $125, so definitely a great place to get started, get your feet wet with track days, and the course is a little bit small, but it's tight and technical. It's sort of like an autocross course, except slightly enlarged, is how I would describe it. Obviously that's coming from someone who's never tried autocross, but from what I've seen, sort of similar deal. Super fun layout. You guys should definitely check this out if you've never done track days before. But yeah, let's hop into the video and you can watch how many bumps I hit. Jesus Christ. Oh. Losing traction everywhere. A little short shift. Not sure if that's good there. That bump is brutal. What I'm doing there, oh my. Ow. Whoops. I'm not liking that bump, dude. Trying to shift into fourth. So as you guys can see, we're actually using Draggy today. Typically I don't use it for my videos just because they haven't released their OBD2 port reader. So that's the thing that allows me to show pedals on screen, and that's why there's no overlay today. You can convert a Draggy lap session into race render. It just doesn't work well for some reason. It makes the lap times very off and it kind of jumps around everywhere. So it's very strange. Jesus Christ, dude, I'm trying to shift. It's impossible. Dude, what the fuck are you doing? Check out this absolutely massive pothole on the racing line on the left here. Cool. Truck and look for that exit cone. No, I don't know what to do there anymore. Did I join the wrong group or something? I'm so lost. It's very possible. Nice skid, buddy. course makes you work, man. Should have trail brake better. Jeez. Dude, I think I just got a brake earlier for this course. I'm lost. Come on, you can do it, old girl. I'm sorry I'm putting you through this little BRZ. Ugh. So as we crest this hill, take a look to your left and you'll see a BMW kind of going slow, just parked it in the middle of the road. I have a good feeling he spun out there because it's just so low traction, and I'm considering it's a BMW. I'm sure it has some power to it.
Brother, what are you doing? I did end up getting a 121. Did it really? Yeah. I don't like that. Dude, I like cutting the corner and just going straight there, because then it kind of allows you to set up for this corner as much as you possibly can anyway. I like to rag on this track, but it is pretty fun. It'd be a lot more fun if it was a little smoother. That's for sure. I'm barely using any gas. I'm probably destroying my tires though. Dude, I feel like I'm so out of breath compared to most tracks. This is hurting. Getting tossed around. I'm actually using my knee as support for once. Normally I don't have like a huge issue getting tossed around, but...
Alright guys, that's going to do it for this video. If you like this type of track content, be sure to like and subscribe for more. We got plenty coming. With that said, thanks for watching. Peace.